They are struggling to give a radiant and or bright future. So the seeds of hatred as the negative aspect is to be eradicated. So we can predict that the blank will be filled with an option denotes eradication. Emas and Garner as choice A and choice D mean collect, and both of the choices are incorrect to make sense, as the collection of seeds of hatred makes the condition worsen instead of having a radiant condition. On the other hand, seeds have a spontaneity to be sprouted by themselves according to the nature. So anyone cannot work to sprout, as it is the deed of nature. It is the deed the nature does. So choice E is also eliminated. Trample as choice B means tread and walk, and or crushing and walking, and extirpate as choice C means eradicate or remove. Both of the choices show relevancy to fit the blank. In this passage, the regions need to make the places totally radiant, and it is not only to their people, but to all nations that want to be part of a new world order based on mutual respect and dialogue, not imposition and strength. The last line of the passage makes it clear that it is not about work and crush anything, as hatred is not a material and people need to eradicate it to make the world, to make a new world with harmony. So choice B is eliminated, and the correct answer is choice C.